Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and to this video I'll show you the great tips to secure your Microsoft account right now without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Edge browser. Having opened up your Edge browser, then you have to come to the address bar right here. Just type in Microsoft account. So click on that and it's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on sign in right here. Simply sign in with your username and your password. And once you enter your username and your password, you will be taken to your own page account, just like what you see on the screen right here. Now, once you get to your account, there are so many ways to secure your account as far as Microsoft security is concerned. One of the first way here is to simply come to the sidebar right here and go to security section. From getting to security section, this is where you need to set up your two-step verification and how you manage your signing activity in your Microsoft account. Now, for you to do that, what you need to do right here is to simply click on manage how I sign in. So it's taking you right here. Now, this is all your signing activities in Microsoft account. One of the great things you need to do here is to make sure you come to the top right here. Make sure you turn on your two-step verification. For you to do that, just click on two-step verification, enter your detail, and connect with your mobile number, and the two-step verification is going to be turned on, which is one of the great security that you can give your Microsoft account against any intruder that might want to hack your Microsoft account. So after you have successfully turned on your two-step verification in Microsoft account, next thing you need to do here is to come down below right here and make sure you click on add new way to sign in verify. So right here you have different way for sign in verify. One of the first way here is facial or fingerprint or PIN or security key. The second option here is use an app, which is quick approve sign in or notification on your phone. Alternatively, you can use an email a code or click on show more options right here. So you can choose any of the options right there that is very much available for you to secure your account. So this is the second way to secure your Microsoft account. So once you set up the detail, you have your login activity detail right here. So it's as simple as that. Lastly, you can simply come down below right here under recovery code. You can use this code to access your account. If you lose access to your sign-in info, print this out and keep it in a safe place or take your picture of it. For you to do that, simply click on generate a new code. Once you click on generate a new code, Microsoft is going to generate you an access code in case you forgot your sign-in device, maybe you forgot your password or you don't have access to your phone number. You can make sure you have access to this particular code right here. With this code that we're going to generate, you can simply have access back to your Microsoft account, and then you can use this also to improve the security level of your Microsoft account. So these are the great tips on how best to secure your Microsoft account without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Microsoft product. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.